It'll be fine. Duke's the best. Yeah, at crashing. Honey, how'd you find me? Oh, I found him. Wait, no, I need to find my girl. Hello, Wood. Hi, Bo. Where are my sheep? You want to talk? Yeah, with my voice box. Drop it. It's okay. Buddy, it'll be okay. Morty's still in there. If we hurry, we can get him before they lock him up. You want us to go back in? Menace. Nobody is with you. Because? Why? Just because. Why? Because it's all I have left to do. Bonnie needs Forky. No, you need Bonnie. I think a lost toy wouldn't understand. We've got a carnival that leaves in the morning. Come on. Bonnie. Toys behind us, yeah, but Woody, you're actually not now. Not ever. Harmony, honey, young grandma close up for the night. Hello, Woody. I need you to be back. Without Forky. Can we agree on just one thing? What? I was defective right out of the box. I can... Comforting him when he's skinned is me. Helping her when she needs it most. You've been there through as wonderful as it sounds. I'd give anything. Bonnie needs you.